So in this video, we're going to have a look at the unit type in F#, and the unit type is quite simple in terms of how it's defined. We simply have an open and closed parenthesis like this, and what this statement represents is something similar to the void type in other languages like C# and C++, if you're familiar with those. And it's used primarily when we want to return things that are empty. For example, let's say we have a function and we don't want to return a particular statement, then this could be a way to finish off the function. So just to see what I mean here, let's define some function. So my function here, it takes a string as an input argument, and then the implementation of this would be first we just simply do a print statement of this string. Like so. After this, maybe we have some arithmetic in this function as well. So this is just a hypothetical function. Let's say we do some form of evaluation. We have 1 plus 2 here, and that's our function. So let's say we were to call this my function on the string ABC. Sorry about that. ABC. There we go. Okay, so if we do this, we would print ABC with this printf statement, but what the function would return in the end is ultimately this value here. The last statement of any function, as you can remember from our functions video, is that whatever is evaluated as the last part of this function evaluation will be returned consequently to the function call down here. So this will actually result in 3. It will still print the printf statement, but the resulting value here, if we were to make an assignment into a variable or something, we would get 3. And let's say we don't want that. We want to create a function that does something, like print something, but we don't necessarily want to return a value. The way we could finish that function off is with this unit value, and that's how you use it. Now you can see that we get a warning here because well, we don't use this value now. So we just assess 3, we don't assign it to anything, it's not used by the function, we might as well remove it. And we didn't have that warning before we added this. So now F# sees that this 1 plus 2 is superfluous, but for the sake of this video, we can simply ignore that warning. So this is how you would finish off a particular statement when you don't want to return something back to the corresponding calling code.